Creation is binary. Before you do anything, it starts at 0, and once you do it, that 0 becomes a 1. The difference between dreaming and being is doing. Before I ever made a video, before I ever became a speaker, before I ever decided to start doing coaching or consulting and telling anybody about themselves and what they should or could be doing, I focused on myself and I actually did it. I put in the work day in and day out when nobody was even watching, when nobody paid attention, when I had a 0 audience before I converted that very first person that became a viewer or a subscriber or somebody that gave me an opportunity. I had to do the work first. I had to start somewhere, and I started at 0. Just like anybody and everybody else, just like any of you watching, every single person starts at 0. I don't care about the exceptions of the rule. I don't care about the kids who started on third base. It doesn't matter. You can't control that. The only thing you can control is yourself. Every single day when I wake up, I'm just doing the things that matter to me, and you can be doing that too. You just have to focus and you have to prioritize. You have to want it enough and you have to be relentless. Whenever I talk to people at a conference or an event or in Twitter or in email, I get the same things over and over. I don't have enough time, Roberto. I don't have enough resources, Roberto. Well, this person blew up overnight, Roberto, and it doesn't matter. Anything that is not an execution, anything that is not the act of doing, is just a 0. It's just an excuse. It's the difference between you committing and not doing it. So I'm not really interested in what the reason is. What I know is that if there's ever been somebody in your situation that's actually done it, there's an answer for it. And I know right now you're getting mixed and conflicting messages from people. You're getting people who are telling you not to hustle and not to lose sleep, and they're talking about that, but they're not living with the frustration that you're living with every day. And if that means working a little bit harder, if that means losing a little bit more sleep, then I'm sorry that you're not at the place in your talent or your ability, or you weren't born with privilege that negates that, and you don't have the luxury of working a little less hard. Because I didn't either, and I don't regret an ounce of sleep that I lost to get here. I regret every single ounce of escapism that I decided to give that time to, because it robbed me of one more day of living this life. A life where today I sleep like a baby for 8 hours every day and take a nap. And if that's what you're saying you want, then all I want for you is to take this time, take this moment in time that will never come again, and get absolutely clear and focused on what is it that you actually want. And I want you to start right now. 3 simple words. Just get started.